Hi, welcome to Healthy by Heath, our healthy lifestyle and do-it-yourself YouTube channel for easy instructions on car and truck repairs, maintenance, travel guides, recipes, and cooking videos. Please take a moment and subscribe below to help us out, and that'll help us to create more content. We appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
So in this video we'll learn how to change a thermostat in a Dodge Ram 1500. This model is a 2011 with a Hemi engine, 5.7 liter. What we're looking at right now is the hose. This is the hose for the heat and the air conditioning. There's going to be two screws, one there and one over on this side, and you need a 13 millimeter wrench, and all you do is you take those screws off, you pull the hose back, you take out the thermostat, put the new one in, and then reattach these bolts, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Okay, so the tools needed to change out the thermostat will be a 13 millimeter wrench. This is a socket wrench, and you can fit any kind of socket, and the one we got is the 13 millimeter, which you see there, it says 13. If you're not familiar with tools, that's how you choose it. It's a 13 millimeter. In order to put this on the socket wrench, you have to press the button back here, and then you push it on, and then it's on. Okay, and then this dial right here adjusts for either to tighten it or to not tighten it. And of course we're going to be loosening it, and so this will just go on the bolts, and we'll loosen both of those bolts, and we'll take that cover off, and then we'll just put the new thermostat on. Changing the thermostat is actually a pretty simple thing. It's more simple than most people would think. I got this from O'Reilly Auto Parts. You just go in there and tell them your make and model of car, and they will choose the correct thermostat for you. And this is what it looks like. It's that simple. And so when you're changing it out in the car, what you're going to do is you're just going to either pull on this, although what I'm going to end up using is probably a flathead screwdriver, and just kind of put it underneath there and use that as leverage to pull it out. You don't need to turn it, no lefty loosey to get it out, or righty tighty. This is it. You throw that in there and you have a brand new thermostat, and your heater should start working.